Sorry ni mama yako. Which one is the taser? The yellow one or the black one? Know your job.
You don't know why? Because George Floyd was murdered. Because Daunte Wright was murdered. A protest means that we block the street. She is protesting for your black life. So what? So what? So what? So what? So what? So what? That's the problem. You're too complicit. That's the problem. More black people should be out on the street with her. You're video recording instead of protecting her. Protect black women. Protect black lives. Horrible. The fact that I even got to get out the car. You are horrible people.
What? Don't touch me.
But no other black person ask her, do she want to go to jail today? You better ask her, does she want people to stop being killed? That's what we're here for. Shame on you if you're a black person scared because she about to go to jail. Be afraid that they putting bullets in us.
No. You don't want to do what? Go explain over there. No, honey. Do I look homeless?
No.
I said no. Shut up. I'm an African too. Thank you.
So we are in Brooklyn Center, Minnesota. We were coming down the street and the street was blocked and my sister is sitting here. My sister was sitting here. She's protesting the murder of George Floyd by Minneapolis police. We're protesting the murder of Daunte Wright by blocking traffic. You know how we give it up in New York. You block the streets. So I'm not going to sit here and let 6 different police officers be with one black lady.
Honey, no. Stop talking to me.
This is live currently right now. Officers.
I don't know why there are 6. You could come all the Department of Brooklyn, Minnesota. Why are you only 6 here? That's how I feel.
How do you feel?
That's how I feel. Like you. Go sit in the car. That's how I feel.
I'm not worked up. But I'm definitely not going to let people talk to her crazy like she's crazy.
Sorry ni mama yako. Which one is the taser? The yellow one or the black one? Know your job.